Hello and very welcome everyone to this session of the Ancient History Previous Year Questions Part 12. In today's session, we are going to discuss some further topics related to ancient history, and we will see that what is the ending of ancient history and what are the topics which we have to cover in this particular session. Before we start, these are the topics which we are going to cover in today's session. So have a look at them. So I have got ancient period architecture, painting, and so let's see that what are the type of questions we have. Before we start, the images used in our slide deck are for educational purpose only. We respect the intellectual property rights of the original creators and owners of these images. If you are the owner of any of the images in this deck and have any concerns or issues, please contact us at sathi@iitk.ac.in and we shall remove the first question that we have is famous Somnath temple is located in. So the question it is asking you that Somnath temple is located in which of the following state. So take your time and try to answer. Hope you got the right answer. The answer is Gujarat. So the famous Somnath temple is located in Kathiawad region of Gujarat. It is also called Somnath Jyotirling. In this very region, Lord Krishna finished his male Leela after killing the Yadu dynasty. In 1025, Mahmud of Ghazni plundered the diamonds and jewels of the Somnath temple. So remember, in 1025 AD, Mahmud of Ghazni he plundered this place, and later on in 1026 again he attacked on this particular place, and this particular temple is dedicated to Lord Shiva. Remember, Somnath temple, it is in Gujarat. Somnath temple is located at the western coast of Dash in India. Options are Goa, Gujarat, Kerala, or Maharashtra. Take your time. And your answer is quite right, guys. Answer is Gujarat. So we just did this question. So again, the same question is there. Somnath temple is located in Kathiawad region of Gujarat, Saurashtra. It is also called Somnath Jyotirling. In this very region, Lord Krishna finished his male Leela after killing the Yadu dynasty. In 1025, Mahmud of Ghazni plundered the diamonds and jewels of the South Somnath temple. So do remember, Gujarat is the place which is the particular place where Somnath temple is found. Which of the following is a marble temple built by Vimal Shah? Very important. Options: Dilwara temple, Vriddeshwar temple, Omkareshwar, or Ranakpur Adinath temple. So question is quite moderate type of question. Try to answer this one. And I hope you got the right answer. The answer of this question is Dilwara temple. So Dilwara Jain temple at Mount Abu was constructed between 11th to 13th century during the reign of Chalukya dynasty. Chalukya was the same dynasty whose king was Pulkeshin II, who defeated Harshvardhan. The walls, pillars, and gates of these temples were made of white marbles on which unprecedented and incomparable carvings has been done. This temple complex is a group of 5 temples, including construction of Sri Adinath Temple, Vimal Shahi Vashahi Temple. This temple was built by Vimal Shah, the minister of Solanki, Chalukya ruler of Gujarat. So, answer is Dilwara Temple. Karle, famous for Buddhist caves, is located in. So, Karle is a famous Buddhist cave. Where it is located? Try to answer. Options are Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, or Madhya Pradesh. I hope this will not hamper you to try to answer this one. Answer is quite right. Answer of this question is Maharashtra. So, Karles are famous for Buddhist caves located in the state of Maharashtra. These caves are generally Chaitya caves, which were built in between 2 BC to 2 AD and from 5th century to 10th century. Karle Chaitya was mainly built in the Satvahan period. So, do remember the name? The name is Maharashtra. In Maharashtra, you will find the Karle, famous for Buddhist caves. You will also find the Ajanta Ellora caves, which are dedicated to Buddhism. And apart from that, you will also find Elephanta caves in the middle of the Arabian Sea. And these particular Elephanta caves, they are dedicated to Hindu deity, that is Lord Shiva. Among the Buddhist caves, the best preserved cave is Kale Cave, which is located of the following states: Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Uttarakhand. Take your time, guys. The answer is quite right. The answer is Maharashtra. Kale is famous for Buddhist caves located in the state of Maharashtra. These caves are generally Chaitya caves, which were built in between 2nd century BC to 2nd century AD, from 5th century to 10th century. Kale Chaitya was mainly built in the Satavahan period. So the answer of this question, if we talk about, is the Chaitya. Which type of architecture does Khajuraho temple reflect? Options are Greek style, Bhumija style, Bezer style, or Nagar style. So take your time and try to answer. Answer is quite right. Answer is Nagar style. So Khajuraho temple is located in Chhatarpur district of Madhya Pradesh. Here you can see. And the temples were built by Chandal rulers from 950 to 1050 AD. These temples are constructed in Nagar style. This is famous for its architectural style, artistic artwork, and erotic sculptures. The temple of Kandaria Mahadev is the best among the temples here. It has been declared as a World Heritage Sites in 1986 by UNESCO. So, do remember the name? The answer is Nagar style. So, Khajuraho temple reflects the Nagar style, and basically it was built by Chandal rulers in 950 to 1050 AD. Which dynasty built the famous Khajuraho temples in the 10th or 11th century? Options are Chola, Pandya, Chalukya, or Chandal. So take your time. The answer of this question is quite simple. Answer is Chandal. We just did this question. So Khajuraho temple is located in Chhatarpur district of Madhya Pradesh. These temples were built by Chandal rulers from 950 to 1050 AD. These temples are constructed in Nagar style, which is famous for its architectural style, artistic artwork, and erotic sculptures. The temple of Kandaria Mahadev is the best among the temples here. It has been declared as a World UNESCO Heritage Site in 1986 by UNESCO. Where are the monuments of Khajuraho found? Very simple question. Try to answer. Maharashtra, Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, or Gujarat? Hmm, simple one, I hope. So, if you are going to visit Madhya Pradesh, so in Bhopal, so you will find Khajuraho temples to be a nearby distance. So, Khajuraho temple is located in Chhatarpur district of Madhya Pradesh. These temples were built by Chandal rulers from 950 to 1050 AD. Temples are constructed in Nagar style. Remember the style which we are made of Nagar, which is famous for its architectural style, artistic artwork, and erotic sculptures. The temple of Kandaria Mahadev is the best among the temples here. It has been declared as a World Heritage Sites in 1986 AD by UNESCO. So, do remember the answer is Madhya Pradesh. Mahabodhi Temple or Mahajagriti Temple is a Buddhist temple located in. Options are Tamil Nadu, Bihar, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh. So, take your time, guys. I hope the answer is right. The answer is Bihar. So, Mahabodhi Temple is a famous Buddhist vihar located in Bodh Gaya, state of Bihar. UNESCO has declared it a World Heritage Site. The vihar is at the same place where Gautam Buddha attained enlightenment in the 6th century BC. So, to remember, the answer of this question is Bihar. Mahabodhi Temple complex is one of the four sacred sites belonging to the Lord Buddha. Is located in options Bihar, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, or Delhi. So take your time and answer this question, guys. And I hope the answer is quite simple, and you must have remembered this question from the last question also. So answer is Bihar. So Mahabodhi Temple is a famous Buddhist vihar located in Bodh Gaya. UNESCO has declared it a World Heritage Site. This vihar is at the same place where Gautam Buddha attained enlightenment in the 6th century BC. So do remember the answer of this question is Bihar. Name the monument which includes impressive series of 9 Hindu temples as well as the temples of Virupaksha, a Jain holy place with a masterpiece and is located in Bagalkot, Karnataka. Options are group of monuments at Mahabalipuram, group of monuments at Hampi, group of monuments at Pattadakal, and group of monuments at Khajuraho. So try to answer this question. Quite a good question, and I hope you all will be able to answer this. And yes, the answer you are saying is quite right. So the answer is group of monuments at Pattadakal. So Pattadakal Monument Complex is located in a town called Pattadakal in the state of Karnataka. Here, the Chalukya rulers built many temples in the 7th and 8th centuries. Today, there are 9 temples related to Hinduism and a Jain Dharamshala. It was declared as a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1987. So, do remember the answer of this question is group of monuments at Pattadakal. Answer is C. Which of the following king built Gangai Konda Cholapuram temple? Options are Rajendra Chola I, Pulutung Chola III, Raja Raja Chola III, or Vikram Chola. So try to answer, guys. And I hope the answer is quite right. So the answer is Rajendra Chola I. So which of the following king built the Gangai Konda Cholapuram temple? So Gangai Konda Cholapuram temple is located at Tanjore in Tamil Nadu. It is known for its architectural and fine work of genius. It is in the early 11th century. The temple was built by Rajendra Chola I, who was the son and successor of Raja Raj Chola I. So, do remember the answer is Rajendra Chola. He was the king who built the Gangai Konda Cholapuram temple. We talk about Raja Raja Chola I. He was the one who built the Brihadeshwar temple. Which of the following caves was excavated by the king Kharaval? Options are caves of Ajanta, caves of Ellora, Kanheri caves, or Kandhagiri caves. So try to answer and try your common sense to answer this question. Answer is Kandhagiri caves. So Kalinga king, as I said, common sense because Kharaval is the king of Kalinga. And if you will take a look at the other options, so all the options would be associated with the western side of India, and only Kandagiri caves are associated with the eastern side. So Kalinga king Kharaval has excavated the caves of Kandagiri. These caves depicts the influence of Jain and Buddhism in the Odisha region. The number of caves of Kandagiri is 15 and their height is 110. The answer is Kandagiri caves. During which of the following empire Chena Kesava temple was built? Hoysala, Yadav, Chola, or Pal? So try to answer. Answer is quite right. Answer is Hoysala. So Chena Kesava temple is located in Belur, a small town in the Hassan district of Karnataka, situated on the banks of Yagachi River. Chena Kesava temple is one of the finest examples of Hoysala architecture. This temple was built by Hosala ruler Vishnu Vardhan in 1117 AD. So do remember that Hosala temple is basically related to the this particular Kichena Kesava temple? Who built the famous stupa of Sanchi? Very simple question. Try to answer. Answer is simple. As I said, answer is Ashok. So, famous stupa of Sanchi was originally built by the king Ashok in 3rd century BC. About the last question, one more thing I would like to add. Hosala temple were also included into the World Heritage Sites recently last year. It became the 42nd site, and total number of UNESCO World Heritage Sites India has is 43. A group of monuments were built at Mahabalipuram in Tamil Nadu by options by Chola, by Pandyas, by Chalukyas, or by Pallavas. So try to answer. Answer is quite right. Pallavas. So the group of monuments at Mahabalipuram in Tamil Nadu was constructed by Pallavas. So remember Mahabalipuram in Tamil Nadu, at particularly the group of monuments that were built are built by Pallavas. Shore Temple is located at Mahabalipuram, Thiruvananthapuram, Dwarka, or Vishakhapatnam. Try to answer. And the answer is Mahabalipuram. So the Shore Temple is one of the masterpieces of ancient monuments of Mahabalipuram. This temple gets its name from its location on Coromandel coast, overseeing the Bay of Bengal. Temple was constructed in Dravidian style of architecture around 7th to 8th century. It was built under the rules of King Narsim Varman. So the answer of this question is Mahabalipuram. In whose reign was the Kailashnatham temple at Kanchipuram built? Very moderate questions. I hope you are getting all the people. So try to answer these. If you are not able to answer these questions, try to add into your notes. So options are Pandya, Chola, Pallava, Chera. So try to answer. I hope you are able to answer. The answer is Pallava. So the Kailash Natham temple, Raja Siddheshwar temple of Kanchipuram was built by Narsim Varman II, the ruler of Pallava dynasty, 680 to 720 AD. The answer is Pallava. The original place of Tantric Yogini cult is believed to be Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Odisha, or Rajasthan. Right answer. Hope the answer you are giving is right. Answer is Odisha. So Odisha is believed to be the original place of Tantric Yogini. Today there are only 4 Yogini temples in India. Others have been destroyed. Two of these 4 are in Madhya Pradesh, Khajuraho and Beda Ghat, and 2 in Odisha, Hirapur, Ranipur, Jhariyal. So the answer of this question is Odisha. Gandhar art is a Buddhist visual art style which was developed in the 1st century BC and the 4th century BC. Prospered in the empire of Kushan, Gupta, Pallava, or Maurya. Try to answer this question, guys. Mm. The answer is simple, and I hope the answer you are giving is right. The answer is Kushan. So, Gandhar art is a Buddhist visual art style which was developed in the 1st century BC and the 4th century BC prospered. And Gandhar art is also called a Greek Buddhist art because in this art the Indian subjects were expressed in Greek manner. Gandhar art generally developed from the 1st century to the middle of the 4th century during the Kushan dynasty rule. There is also another school of art that is also called a Mathura school of art. So one is Gandhar school of art, and another is Mathura school of art. Gandhar school of art is related to Gandhar, today's Afghanistan, and Mathura School of Art is today's Mathura, that is in Uttar Pradesh. Where is Sarvan Belogala located? Odisha, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka. Right answer. I hope you remember. This is a famous place of Jains, and particularly Chandragupta Maurya. He particularly left his body and reached to the abode. So the answer is Karnataka. Sarvan Belogala, located in the city of Mysore, in the state of Karnataka. The main center of attraction here is Gomteshwar, Bahubali statue. Bahubali was the first Tirthankar to attain salvation. In ancient times, this place was a great center of Jainism culture. According to Jain Anushruti, the Mauryan emperor Chandragupta abandoned his kingdom and spent his last day at Sarvan Belogala in Mysore. So, do remember the answer is Karnataka. Choose a historical place that is not in Gwalior, Madhya Pradesh. Options are Jaivilas Mahal, Rani Lakshmibai Samadhi, Golconda Fort, or Teli Temple. Right answer. And this question is quite simple one. The answer of this question is Golconda Fort. So Golconda Fort is located in the western part of Hyderabad city and is about 9 kilometers from Hussain Sagar Lake. This fort was built by Kaktiya dynasty in the 13th century. Golconda Fort is considered one of the India's most outstanding citadels. It emphasizes the sumptuous Nawabi culture of the time. So answer of this question is Golconda Fort. And basically it is in currently if you see, so this place is in Telangana. Name the Shiva temple near Tali Paramba in Kerala, where women are allowed to enter only after 8 p.m. A unique feature of this temple is the absence of flagstaff. Options: Raja Rajeshwar Temple, Rameshwaram Mahadev Temple, Malikarjun Temple, Gokara Natheshwara Temple. The answer of this question is Raja Rajeshwara Temple. So, Sri Raja Rajeshwara Temple is a Shiv temple located in Maitri Ramba in Kannauр district of Kerala. The temple is regarded as one of the existing 108 ancient Shiva temples in Kerala. As per the custom, only men enters the temple during the daytime. Women are allowed to enter only after 8 p.m. So this is a particular Shiv temple near Tali Paramba in Kerala. So particularly this temple is a historical temple and built majorly during the AD century. On which hill is the famous Tirumala temple situated? Shishadri, Niladri, Narayanadari, or Venkatadari? Try to answer. Hope you got the right answer. The answer of this question is Venkatadari Hills. So Venkatadari, famous Tirumala temple, which is one of the richest temples in India, have sacred Hindu pilgrim sites, lies in the Venkatadari Hills in the state of Andhra Pradesh. It is constructed in Dravidian architecture and believed to be constructed over a period of time starting from 300 AD. It is also known as by other names like Tirupati Balaji Temple, Tirupati Temple, Tirumala Temple. It is dedicated to Lord Venkateshwara, a form of Vishnu, and known by many other names such as Balaji Govind and Srinivas. So the answer of this question is Venkata Dari. Pilgrim took an oath of cleanliness during the Sabrimala religious visit to the state of. So basically, they are asking that Sabrimala temple is situated in Karnataka, Kerala, Telangana, Tamil Nadu. Very simple question, guys. And the answer of this question is Kerala. So, Sabrimala Temple is a Hindu pilgrimage center located in Periyar Tiger Reserve in Western Ghat, Mount Ranges, Pathana Mithata district, Kerala. It is one of the largest annual pilgrimage site of world, which an estimate of over 40 to 50 million devotees visiting every year. It is dedicated to Lord Ayappa, the god of growth. Answer is Kerala. And that's it in this session, guys. I hope you gained a lot of knowledge and lot of things have been added into your general knowledge things and your notebook. And this will help you in your upcoming exams. So I will meet you in the next session. Till then, bye bye. Take care, everyone, and see you soon.